slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to my Funded Future Asia session. How is everybody?
Hey. How are you tonight, Stephen?
Hey, Aaron. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. Hey, Aaron. How are you, everybody? How's everybody going? How's everybody doing? Hello. Today Wednesday or Thursday? Today Wednesday?
It's Wednesday. What happened at the end of the market today?
Micron, baby. Micron. They beat earnings by 40. They came out with 41 billion versus 20 billion. They're going to spend 10 billion for the next 4 years in CapEx. And Christopher Pac-Man and Steven, great call today, going to 600, 682. But guess what? They blew it through 400 more. Micron up right now, up 15.5%. SanDisk up 9%. We have AMD up 3.5. We have Intel up about 4.7. So it's all about chips, and more chips tomorrow. That's it. We'll see if the Qs. Now, tomorrow we're going to get buy reversals on the opening, on the spider, on the Qs, on the 15, the 30, and the 10:30, the 60-minute. Even though with this big push up here, the S&P futures may not reverse to buy on my work on the 30 and 60-minute time frames, okay? You don't watch the World Cup? No. I mean, yes, I do when I'm home, if it's night or if it's, who won tonight? Did Brazil play? Did Brazil play? Brazil's playing tonight, right? I think
It's Mexico and Korea. I'm not sure.
Who? Oh, they're beating Scotland 3. Yeah. Wow.
All right, I'm gonna switch you over.
Brazil's up 3. Well, I don't know, man, but it was fun to watch Lionel Messi play for Argentina yesterday, boy. That was pretty fun, I have to say. Lionel Messi, that was pretty damn fun, I have to say. And they're off at Belmont. All right. So we got to see if these 15s, what a beautiful, beautiful bull flag here on the 15-minute time frame, oversold right here. Got down right here. NASDAQ, this NASDAQ gets down to the, I go maybe like the 30, 55, and 85 range. Here we go. Let's see. Look, take a up 500. My God, I can't even believe it. You can just, here we go. This was the short right here. You see them making the new high here at 120. Okay. The negative MACDs here. So this is a sell divergence here, but this was a nice long right here. Look the skeletal longs here, like 88, 89 up to 93, 94. The 5 should start turning up here. Look at this oversold here. What was the low here? Wow, 30.47, and they kaboomed up 80 points. Really nice there. The Black Dragons, how are you? The Black Dragons. There you go. The Black Dragons. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, all right. Micron just dropped about 4 here. You got the 15-minute time frames turning down here now. You got the 30s going to set up here. This was a nice short up here, up 500. I can't even say the word buy, up 500, but just take a little scalp long up there before. But again, the most important thing is, what about gold today? Gold. Oof. I told you gold was going to break 4,000, right? Gold got down to what, that 39.80 level, and then kaboom, right back up. You got gold deeply oversold here. Let me just see what some of these gold stocks here. 54, 53. Where are they? Where's this thing trading? Okay, at the end of the day. Yep. AU. I said look to buy this AU here. 79s. Okay, there it is. All right. I just think, and where's silver? The silver. Jesus, silver. Where is so? Oh my God, silver. Silver 57. Now, I mean, the reason why the market got cabooshed today was because there was on Market Watch, there was somebody that stated that the president said it was okay for the Fed chairman to raise rates. And if he does, he's good with it, right? JK3, what's going on? FTT, WTV. We're oversold on the 4-hour previous hammer. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Hey, Barbaretto, how are you? Corp trades, forbidden shenanigans. Let's see here. Khalib, how are you? LL, it's LL. How are you? All right. Okay. Yep. Hey, David, how are you, David? David. What's going on? Team Morocco. What's up, Palm Tree Trader? All right. So we just dropped about 70 off that sell divergence, and I said if you want to take a little scalp here, let's go back to the 1 minute time frame here. Again, you can see here, this is the high here. Oh, whoa, 135 was the high. Oof. Okay. So I think right now with up 546 points, that's pretty staggering if you ask me. You may get one more. If you get this pushed down here, what's this thing? 55. I don't know. This thing gets down to the, let's see here. The 15s are rolling over. If this thing gets down to like the 25, 55 range, I'd be scaling into longs here on this here. MACDs are very positive on gold. Yes, and yes. But also you're getting overbought on the 60-minute time frame. So I'd be very careful. Very careful. This was the short here right before we came on. Boom, they dropped. And then here at 801, got up to the 102 handle. So we'll see what happens here. I still think Micron, obviously Micron going to lead the way tomorrow, up 15.4%. They came out even with the Brazil just won. Hey, Brazil won. Wow, 3-0. Okay. If anybody had to guess, who do you think is going to win? Argentina. Who do you think is going to win? Anybody? Who do you think is going to win? Viva Brazil. Brazil's good. Earthquake hits Japan and Venezuela. The currency market this evening will spike. Okay, we're beating Haiti. We beat it, Haiti? What? France, Argentina. I heard France. I know, Steph. My friend, he was the head coach at Florida State. He was Mark Kokorian, is a good friend of mine. He won like 4 or 5 college cups at Florida State. My daughter played for him. And he said that he thought France had a very, very good chance of winning. Listen, it's nice to see the United States, if they could win it. They're 2-0. They won their bracket, I think. They won their seed. Okay. France and Portugal look strong at the European side of things. Iran, I don't know about that. Holland will take the cup. Wow, let's I'm writing all this down. Holland, let me write this down here. We got France, we got Argentina. Nasdaq starts scaling out alongs between 55 and 65, 70. There they go. You get that? Yes. Okay, you got France, you got you know who used to be good too? France is going to flop, I reckon. Whoa, Nasdaq right back up. Woo! Right there. France, that would be a great one, right? France versus Argentina. Are they in the same bracket, or they wouldn't be able to play each other? I don't even know how this bracket thing works, though. Wow, that was a nice little long there again off the 5-minute time frame on the 46 up to 81, so not bad. Okay, Portugal. You think Portugal's good? What team does what's his name play on? Ronaldo, Portugal, right? Isn't it Portugal, Ronaldo? He's got to be, what, 43 now? 38, 43? I don't know. Argentina, but with USA would win. You think Argentina's going to win? Gotta be. I don't know. Could Argentina and France play each other? Germany plays for Cuba? No, he doesn't. He doesn't play for Cuba. He's 40, right? Yeah, 40. I said 40, 41 or something like that. He doesn't play for Cuba. Who said that? Jesus. Oh my God. Micron, Intel, Microsoft finished. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. Hey, gotcha. How are you? Anybody here at Netherlands? So we have someone saying Holland, right? We have someone saying the Netherlands. Okay. I think Germany's out of it, right? Argentina versus Mexico. Wow. Okay. Argentina, Portugal, Ronaldo with Ronaldo against Messi. Oof. That'll be it. Forget it. That'll be record. That would be record. NASDAQ. I look to buy 30,000 to 30,000. You can go 05 to 45 on the NASDAQ. Can you imagine the television ratings for Messi and Ronaldo? Oh my God. Yeah, I think the Netherlands look strong. I was watching them today, and I heard these guys are they're no nonsense. Let me put it that way. You know, they're no nonsense. Yeah, France has Mabe, right? He's way better. He's also younger, right? How do you say that? MP, Mbappe. NASDAQ Caboose. Nah, NASDAQ Caboose 60 points. That's not a cabooshin. Or 70 points from the high. All right. So Mbappe. Mbappe. Thank you. Mbappe. Sorry. Okay. Mbappe. Yeah, he's good. I remember him. All right. If you're still long, if you bought him again below 55, I said 45, but if you bought him again, come on, England. Yeah. England tied Ghana, right? I think England tied Ghana. U.S. plays tomorrow night at 10. Where are they playing? California? The time difference? We got to watch that one. Mbappe. Thank you, cheese pepperoni. M as in N. M eating M ba-a. Oh, ba-a. Ba-a? I don't know. USA, Turkey. Is Turkey good? Oh, we should beat them, right? We should beat them. All right, I would cancel the buy range on the NASDAQ there. Los Angeles, right? Yeah, that's why, yeah, 10 o'clock. Oh, Turkey's good? Really? Okay. Well, we'll see. We shall see. Really, this is going to be a pretty big, big move here. Let's just see here. France and England. Turkey was limited, but still got to play them. Oh, they're out of the FIFA? Oh, yeah. This 15 is turning down here. It's going to give the market a little headwind here. You got maybe one more push up on the 5. See the 5-minute time frame? Really very powerful here. See that? Oversold. Look at the yellow dots. So they got down to 46. But we're just going to watch the 1 minute here. I'd like to see if they can get one more push down. S&Ps just ran about 4, 5 on that same exact oversold condition. Got down to 65, ran 6, 7. NASDAQ, there it goes. 46 up to 90. 96 will be up 50. You had to take that oversold condition. The ADXs are rising very much so on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. Gold, dead, mort, nothing on the gold. All right. I don't know they were adding Google to the Dow. When is that? What's coming out? Is that right? When is that happening? They're adding Google to the Dow? MRVL. What's this thing doing? Oh my God, Marvel. Look, they just kaboomed it. Look at this, Marvel. 273. Oh my God, Marvel. Look at this, Marvel. 273. Look at this. Jesus. Seagate. What's this STX? Oh my God, Seagate up. Oh my God, Seagate. Look at this Seagate. Look at this Seagate. $48, $74, $5. Oh my God, this thing is up 100 points. Oof. Oh my God, they're gonna get up there. All right, Nasdaq 3100. If the Nasdaq gets up to the 30,000, 15, 20, up to 45, I would take a short. Again, the 15s are starting to roll over. The MACDs are negative on the 5. Gold's doing absolutely nothing, up 18. Okay. Oh, they took Verizon out. That makes sense. Verizon's a dog, right? Verizon. I mean, come on. And plus, Elon's going to destroy the company, right? I mean, this thing. Who would buy this Verizon though? Like, it's just dead money, if you ask me. I mean, 51. I mean, what does it pay? Probably a big dividend. Maybe that's why. Gold's finished. Okay. Let's see, 45. Who's buying this thing? 67 million shares today. Are you crazy? This week on the daily. How many shares today? 25 million shares. Give me a break. Who's buying Verizon? Oh my God. Nice dividend, right? Yep. But the dividend is one thing, and when Elon decides to, oh my goodness gracious. All right, Nasdaq, I would cancel the short. Gold just got cabooshed here. Gold. This gold's finished. Gold's, I told you gold was going to 40. We're going to break 4,100 from 4,500 and change. It dropped. It got down to 40.58, 40.48, ripped back up to 4,400. I said, next stop gold, boom. Going to break 4,000. 4,000 it did. It got down to 39.80. Now you get this push up. I think gold could get down to 37.50, 3,800, maybe even 35.50. Then I think you got to back up the truck. Okay, on the gold. Yeah, I think you got to back up the truck. Okay, let's see if we get another. Let's see. It gold's up 11, the 15s, the 60s. I'm more of a think this gold's going to get cabooshed here. How's everybody doing tonight? Everybody doing good? You think gold goes that low tonight? Where below 4,000? Probably. Probably. If these 60-minute time frames roll over, I think there's a good chance that can happen. Okay. All right. I'm so bearish on gold. Right now, they got the 15-minute time frames reversed to buy. That was a nice short. Gold just dropped 10 there. This, what are we looking at? Put the NASDAQ back up here. Put the NASDAQ back up. This is the low I was looking at here. Aaron, you there for a minute, Aaron?
Yeah, well, I'm here.
Yeah, I just gotta run to the bathroom really quick. Do you mind if
Okay.
take the 2 seconds here. Give me just 3 minutes. Do I have a motorcycle? I used to have a motorcycle. David Lane, how are you? Chicken Trader, how you doing? I'll be back. Can just give me 3 minutes? I'm just gonna run down the. I'll be right back.
Yep.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
All right. Well, I was eating, but I have to wait now. Anyway, how's everybody doing tonight? Hopefully well. Let's see. I can't change I don't want to change everything just to put my camera on right now. But anyway, I know we talked a little bit about World Cup. What else is going on tonight? Any other thing news related that's worth talking about, or you think could be affecting the market besides Micron? Eating green crayons. That's funny. Working on my list. What list? Is there an event called 2030? What's that about?
I'm right here. What happened? Sorry.
No, I'm just talking to him.
Woo! I still got it. I
Right.
still can sprint. Woo! Great job, Aaron.
All right. Keep
Oh,
going.
Aaron, I heard you did a great job this morning on the morning stream. Great job.
Yeah. I had to fill in for somebody, so I just sat and talked with one of the guys on the stream. It was nice.
Good.
Yeah. All right. You're back on, Steven. You're up.
Thank you. I'm here. All right. Really quiet after this. Let's see if this pushed down 62 here. I still think we're going to go. I want to see the 15s get a low or more oversold here. Oh, wow. Awesome. Papa Trump speaks at 8. Big earthquake in the Caribbean now? I thought it was Japan. Please take a look at gold. I don't like it. I'm more of a short seller. You're still negative on. But the 60-minute time frames could, if this NASDAQ gets down to the 48 on the NASDAQ, I'd take a long here. These 15s, these 30s setting up. The 30-minute bull flag is going to be tremendous here. I'll tell you that. The 30-minute right here on this bull flag, when this gets oversold, look at this beautiful positive MACD here. Yeah, just and then look at the 60. Oof, beautiful. Look at that. We're going to set up some bull flag here. What a monster. MONSTA bull flag here. Yes, sir. Okay. If this gold gets down to the 08.5, 16.5, you could take maybe if you want like a scalp short there. Oh, Brian, I ran, brother. I ran down. I have a door out here, right? And I ran, did a wind sprint, and boom, and came back. Oh, there's two, Japan and Venezuela. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Come on. Give us this little drop here. 60 minutes getting overboard here. I think it's hard to say to buy something, but we could just take even though, see if these fives can get oversold again here. 52, boom, missed it by 4. All right. Look at that, 52 to 66. This NASDAQ's on crack. This NASDAQ is on crack. Are tsunami warning bullish? I have no idea. Don't say it. Don't. D Hall, what's going on, D Hall? What's going on, D Hall? Look at this, 52 to 70, 60, 69. So again, I'm looking to see if this can get a pullback here. Very bullish here on the 30, 15, 30, and 60-minute time frames on the NASDAQ. Be interesting to see what the hell's going on with tomorrow morning. Yes, sir. Hey, son of Wall Street. Oh, my goodness gracious. 52, 48. Look at him go. Jesus. Up and up. Look at this. Up 30. Up 30. Ah. Indicator 4, no, it was designed about I don't know, 17 years ago by me and someone else. Yep. Again, MyFundedFutures. I'm doing this, over a year now. I got to say, in getting to know about, prop accounts, and I have to say that MyFundedFutures, the people behind the scenes, Matt, Aaron, Luke, Aaron, of course, you got the best prop firm here, in my opinion, and for me to have this opportunity to be here, to teach all of you, to really want to see you all succeed. And that's the most important thing as well. To be able to take the opportunity to be part of something, and for all of you to grow, and all of you to do well and pass the evaluations. A gentleman here today bought a couple of accounts, and you got to be careful. I'll tell you a story. He blew the account within his first trade because why? He didn't realize he had the big ones on, the micros. He didn't have micros checked off. He had the big ones, and he was buying them, and he got kabooshed. He got kabooshed on the first trade when gold dropped, and it was a perfect long, but because he was on the big ones, he got kabooshed. Right? So pay attention to the accounts, pay attention to listen, you know what I say? There's no rush, right? You got an account, right? You look at it, right? You don't rush it. You don't, you don't rush it. You don't get to a point. You open the account, you got your trade evade up and running. You click on the micros, you get ready. It's like a fighter pilot. He doesn't go jump in the cockpit and go like that, right? Just take your time. Take your time. You got to take your time, okay? You don't want to get kabooshed out of the gate here, okay? Let's see if they can get one more push up here. I told you, like I said, with the 15s rolling over, I wanted to get short up here. They did get up to 82, 81. Let's just see if this 5-minute time frame here. You see these negative MACDs here. Again, these 60s. I'm hoping they rally to get short, okay? I'm hoping to rally for them to get short. So you can start scaling out of longs here between the 40 and 50 range if you're long here. But, again, the most important thing is just to be consistent. That's why I think what's really important, what most traders fail to do, is they fail to realize by trading one account, they put just so much pressure on them. I understand it's a cost factor. Don't get me wrong. I agree. For me, I think the most important thing that people need to hear is when you're trading one account, right? It's a lot of pressure for some people, and yes, I get it. I am not, dismissing this. Okay, that people need to focus on understanding that that when you're this gold, I'd be scaling along is 40 to 50 range, and when you have one account, and I understand the cost factor, but I think if you could just get one account and another account, even two, you could do 3 or 4, that'd be great. And just rotate and keep rotating and keep rotating and keep rotating and keep rotating. I think that is very, very important here. And I just want you to know that it really, I think I've seen this now for 2 weeks now, and I've seen a huge difference in people who are trading, and that they are, that they really tend to think that by trading multiple accounts, it has eased their belief. Okay. Again, this gold is a scalp. If it gets up to the 13, 16, I'd be out. I'm so bearish, especially if these 60-minute time frames roll over on the gold. I am so bearish on this gold. I can't tell you. And I agree. The chat is calm, right? I don't know. The chat is calm. But yeah. So, but again, one of the most critical things is you got to realize the importance of just being consistent, waiting. If you're pattern trading, great. If you're scalp trading, no problem. Okay, and you just want to, every single day by rotating accounts, make 60 on one account, make another 80 on the other, make 50 on one, make 120, and then rotate back. Okay. For me, the best thing is a trader own money. I agree. I've traded, and I trade live capital. I don't trade prop. And I believe that trading the market with live capital, that's all I've ever done. And this August 1st will be 44 years. I've been trading live capital, my own money, family offices, hedge funds. It doesn't make a difference. It's you in the market. As you say, it's you against the world, right? This gold is finished. But if you get that gold short up there was magnificent on the 15s, right when we came in at 28, at 30, 29, 30 was a monster short on the gold. Yeah, I think what people really have to remember and understand is that, like as I told you before, I was invited to have dinner with the head of the CME on his birthday some years ago, 8 years ago or 7 years ago, whenever. And I said, at dinner time, he's telling me how we're going to come out with the micro E-minis. And I said, oh my God, it's going to be amazing. It's going to open up the retail market in trading. And he says, I have several million people a day looking on my CME website, trading and on the simulator. I said that I can imagine. But then once the CME came out with the micro E-minis, it gave birth to what? The prop firms. So you could thank Terry Duffy, the board of the CME at the time, the vision to bring out a smaller product for the retail environment. And then you got the prop firms, okay, to really give you all a chance, okay? And, you got to remember the rules are, every firm's got different rules, but, again, MyFundedFutures, you pass, you get paid. I knew this was going to drop. I couldn't even imagine. Where's Micron trading? Got 207 now. I wanted to short at 218 right before we got here. Anybody know where Micron's trading right now? Is it probably 1190. If the Nasdaq just dropped 135 here, but you know, you got to remember overall. You got to remember overall that our Nasdaq might break 30,000 here, up 400. I mean, that's insane. Kabooshed, 1198. Ah, Jesus, just dropped 20. I said 218. Damn it. Oh my goodness. Hey, Wandering, how are you? All right, here we go. Nasdaq kaboosh. You could take maybe a long here, scalp long, 60 to 90 on the Nasdaq. There we go. Let's see this. 60 to 90. You know, 1198. Oh my God. I wanted them to gap up to like 1233, and I would have shorted the world. Should have jumped in that short. Right up here. I know. I tried to short it up here. Right here, 1120. The high was, where was it? This is right here. It got up to 09. All right. Just got down to 88. If you want to take a quick 10, 12, 14, I'm out. I'll be out here. Look at this piece of garbage gold. Bitcoin was under 60,000 at one point today. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, unbelievable. 1198. Ugh. I knew this gold. You're not long gold, are you? No. This gold's a piece of garbage. I'm so embarrassed. Nasdaq, again, you can go 55 to 85 here. They're getting kabooshed. So I still think you're going to get a pop here. These are the 15-minute time frames. So this is what you got to worry about, the 60s here, but not now. Maybe you get one more push up here. Right? Christopher, what are you saying, Christopher? What are you combining? What are you talking about? Plot thickens, that's not true. Come on, that's not true. We waited a long time. I waited almost, I had to be over 2. And don't forget, we were giving away 20 raffles last night. Okay, I said your name. Jennifer, myself, and Aaron looked. We didn't see you. Nobody said you were here. Come on, don't do that. You think I tried? We gave away 20. You think I'm not going to give you an account? Your name. First of all, to get your name picked is just a mission in itself. Okay, don't say that you know that's you got screwed, man. That's not cool. I understand you could be upset, but I called your name. Aaron called your name. Jennifer called your name. Okay, and I'm just saying. Got to hold 930. Yep, I think you're right. Look at this gold, 4,000. That's why I said there was I'm so bearish on the gold. Okay. We checked. We called your name. Come on. You've been around here a long time. Nobody's here to take anything away from you or hurt you or anything like that. If anything, we waited patiently. Okay. We're all Jennifer's salt of the earth. Are you crazy? Forget it. What do you think? We waited. Do you think Matt give up these gains? No. Hey, Vanessa, how are you? Nasdaq gets up to the 85. All right, Nasdaq right back up there. Nasdaq right back up here. Just ran about 15, 20 here, 20 here. Okay. I mean, again, I don't want to, I don't want to keep going into this though, but you can't ask for more honest people. Myself, Aaron, and of course, Jennifer. You know, when you call your name, there may be a delay here of what, maybe 6 to 12 seconds, if that. But I waited. I actually said, because I said he's always here. I said, and I waited. I probably gave you an extra minute. You know, remember, we started at 9:45. And, you know, but, you know, I still think you're going to push up here now. I love when these MACDs are negative like this. All right. NASDAQ off the highs down 160. Okay. What's the family office? NASDAQ gets down to the, I would say, the 40 to 70 range. I looked if they get a caboose in here. A family office is pretty much just a pool of capital by either a single family. It doesn't take outside money. It's a family office is an individual or a trust or you know, people within the family not taking outside public money, pretty much. Okay. Actually, yeah, you can look to go long this year. Maybe we go 45 to 75 here on the NASDAQ. Look at this gold below 4,000. I told you this thing was a piece of garbage. I told you it's going. Okay. All right. Hope everybody's having a great night here. Getting cabooshed. NASDAQ, look at this. 30,135. This guy jumped. You're pushing up to new highs here. The MACD is non-confirming. The price into the negative MACD. That's a cabooshin right there. Okay? That's a cabooshin. Tomorrow, remember, I'll be on the MyFundedFutures TV tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30. NASDAQ, you could look to sell here anywhere between the 80 and probably 90 range if it gets up there. You should get another push up here. Gold, look at this gold. Gold's down 30, 35 off the highs. No way. Thank you, Josh, baby goat. You understand what a family office is? So, well, I have you this. I'm just going to show everybody that this is the buy divergences today on the opening. So it opened, pushed down, boom. Here's one buy divergence, right? Making new lows. The MACDs didn't confirm. Here's a second low, boom. MACDs didn't confirm. Caught the short on the sell divergence on the 15 MACD. Here we go again. Make a new low, boom. It rallies. Okay. Boom, it rallies, makes now these three here, the MACDs here, okay, the MACDs, now you can maybe buy the gold here between the 92 and a half and 99 and a half range for a scalp. But if you look here, you can see one new low, two new lows into the positive MACD. Here, when you made the new low, if you draw your horizontal line right here, the MACDs are negative. So here you're actually getting a new low, and a new low with the negative MACD. Okay. And there we go. Where's Micron? Oh my God, this Micron must be getting killed. Micron must be getting killed. Unbelievable. Oh my God. Anybody tell me where Micron is? I'll be sick to my stomach. Oh, God almighty. Why work for someone else when you can work? What? Oh, because bigger pools of capital. You know, bigger pools. Oh my God, 1187. Come on. 1218, 1187. Jesus, is 13. Just dropped 31 points. Come on, man. Jesus Christ. Unbelievable. 1187. Jesus. Wow. All right. You can exit any longs here between 60 and 75 if you bought them, or if you didn't kick them out above 80 here before. MU 1186. Oh my God! I just wanted to short it. Oh my goodness! What do you mean working for somebody else? I mean, you can have X amount of dollars, right, and work, but if you have a family office that you can get more capital, what's wrong with that? How much did it go up before it dropped? Here we go. Here, 1135, 135 right there. You see that? Okay. All right. So again, we're excited about tonight, the raffles. I don't know what time we're going to do them, but we're going to do some. Albano, how are you? Albano, great job today, Albano. Great job. Great job. Okay. Let's see here. I'm sure AMD's got to be down. Anybody know where AMD and Intel are trading right now? AMD went out at 538.60 and Intel 138.69. I'm sure they got to be down. All right. Nasdaq straight down. AMD 530. Oh, she's down $8. Oh my God. Thank you, Brave Day. Intel 137 down $1. All right. Yep. Yes, sir. So again, try to what do you see in Bitcoin for the night? Let's see. That's interesting. Let's look at Bitcoin here. BTC USD. Let's look at Bitcoin for the night. Oh, it's going to roll over. Look at this 60-minute time frame. This was the short right here, 61,000. You guys, any of you trading Bitcoin futures here? You guys trading Bitcoin futures? No, nobody. All right, 15-minute time Bitcoin. 15s, 30-minute, bullish, 15s. Let's see here. What's going on? Oh, yeah, 15s might set up a long for one more push up here. But Bitcoin looks finished here. Here's a daily. Got down, made a new low, 59,000 today. If it wasn't for that Micron news, this thing could have probably be headed to like 52,000. Dow's anchoring. So I heard tonight somebody mentioned that Google is being added and Verizon's being taken out. Maddie, you have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube, and when the orange link comes out, you can sign up for the raffle. Amazon is part of the Dow. I don't know. Let me look. Is that right? I don't know. Let me see. Dow 30. Dow 30. I don't think Amazon's in there. I don't think so.
Yeah.
It is? Oh, it is. Triple M, Amazon, American Express, Amgen, Apple, Boeing, Caterpillar, Chevron, Cisco, Coke, Dow, Goldman, Home Depot, Honeywell, IBM. Honeywell's still a symbol? I thought they got bought out. Jesus, where the hell have I been? Good Lord. Honeywell. All right. I thought they got kabooshed. I lost like $30,000 on a trade once. GE was buying Honeywell, and I did the arbitrage, buy Honeywell, short GE. And I'm sorry, I was down $35,000. Was I down 35,000, I think, or 40,000? I was putting on the arbitrage pretty big. And I got the arbitrage so tight that I end up, I think, only down like a couple $100. I said, Tommy, just close it out. Let's close it out. Just close it. Sell my, cover my GE and sell my Honeywell, right? Because the spread got really narrow. Well, guess what? 3 days later, boom, boom, boom. The deal blew up. GE went pink and Honeywell went boom. So I was short GE, right, and long Honeywell. Oh, my God. You're talking big shares, too. And I was like, oh, my God. All right, NASDAQ, 05 to 45 here. I take another stab on the long. You're 81 points from the 10 bar. We lost the war, I guess. Cover! They're breaking. Why would I mistake? I'm doing this for 44 years, Gervex. Why? Look at this gold. This gold's fished. If you look at this gold, okay, I told you the 60-minute time frames are going to reverse here. Okay, look at this. Monster bear flag. We came in here. Gold was above 30 right at 8 o'clock. I couldn't even say short fast enough. You see this beautiful bear flag right here. Okay, this is a Picasso right here. Okay, this gold is finished. If they're going to talk about raising interest rates, I'm telling you right now, it's over. Okay, that's why I said if you want to do anything on gold, it's got to be a scalp, and I don't even like the scalp. Okay, so I just don't. I just think the trend in gold is down. I think interest rates. I think they're gonna. I'm telling you. I think gold's going to 36.50, maybe even 35.50, 34.50, somewhere in the 3,000s. Do I think? Somebody asked me today. Do I think 3,200? No. But I think. Well, if he raises interest rates, going to, it'll hit 3,000. And what a drop from 5,600. Oof. All right, this now gold, NASDAQ 45 up to 65 if it gets up there. All right. Of course I do. Tenement, yeah. I go live every day from 8:30 to 4, trade live capital, teach, give out the ideas, the patterns on index futures, commodity futures, gold. I'll be scaling out of gold here, 4,000 out. Okay. Yeah, and if you like a 5-day free trial, hey, Tony Gold, Tan Man, if you like a 5-day free trial, NASDAQ to 21,000. If you like a 5-day free trial, just text me, and that goes for anybody. Vert Trades, the link's been dropped, not yet, not that I see. And again, if you like a 5-day free trial, you can just text me your full name and email tanman2g 914-500-7484. Love to hear from you. There goes the NASDAQ. Boom! There, where's the bowl? Where's the bowl? No way, Moises. Great job, brother. Moises. Oh, that's awesome, brother. Congratulations. See? Okay. All right. NASDAQ to 30,000. Oh, could be. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at the I think this NASDAQ's going to explode. Look at this NASDAQ here. You got the 15. Let me put this here. Look at the 30-minute. Okay. When the 30-minute starts curling up like this into this positive MACD, I think this NASDAQ's going to go. S&Ps just ran. There goes the gold right back up. Finally, NASDAQ. Anybody long the NASDAQ here? All right. And then if you look at the 15-minute time frame, you can see the deep oversold condition here, right? This is a beautiful bull flag. Oversold. Oh, my goodness. Look at this 30. When this 30, look what the 30 did. Yes. Oh, my goodness gracious. Gold just exploded. Who's long gold? Anybody? S&P, NASDAQ? Anybody? No? Come in, Manila? No? Wow, look at the gold rally. My goodness gracious. Wow, look at the gold rally. My God. Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. What the heck? Papa Trump I'm long. Oh, my God.
NASDAQ.
Youssef, good job. There goes. You hope you're long NASDAQ.
Yes.
You see how, look at that bull flag. Beautiful. Beautiful. Woo. Oh, my God. Get in there, Jennifer. There you go. Nita, there's always, I just want to be clear. Many years ago, my son and I would trade the night session, and I would, get a bunch of people and on the night session and teach them the night session. And then when I proposed this to Luke, I think another firm was doing it already, but I was doing the gold way before anybody. And I'll tell you another story. Okay, about 6 years ago, the company I was building. I told them I actually almost went blows to. Okay, here's the link, everybody. Here's the link. JD, sign up for the link, right there. So I almost went blows to blows with my partner. We were building a project. We had just completed a product that we own a patent on, and I said we were doing something different. I go, okay, enough. I want to shift gears. He goes, what are you, crazy? We got hundreds of thousands, not $1 million in this project. I said, I don't care. We got to go into streaming. He looked at me and said, what are you, crazy? We're not going to do that. I go, yeah, we are. I said, so we started streaming. I won. I made my pitch to the investor. He said, I like the idea. And we were the first ones, I think, to start streaming way back 7, 8 years ago. And then I met a guy named Mitch, and he said, Stevie, on top of the streaming, you got to start doing podcasts. I'm like, okay. I said, what the hell's a podcast? And he explained it to me in Midtown Manhattan at an Italian restaurant. Okay. And anyway, yeah, it was pretty insane, I have to say, that I had that opportunity. And then we started streaming, and then everybody was coming to me. Hey, SK, we want to build a streaming network in our member firm. Like, get lost. I'm not going to help you. I'm not doing that. And for what? It doesn't matter. Exactly. You made side trades, 1405 Asia session setups or Chiefs kiss. Thank you. With the raffle, I think you can win as many times as, what are the odds you're going to win every single day for, or 4 times a month? It's hard. Najee, what's the matter, Najee? What's the matter, Najee? Talk to me, Goose. All right, right back down. Oh, wow, that gold. I was about to say short that gold at 12. Damn it. Shoot. Into that negative MACD. Damn it. All right, well, that gold ran from 92 up to 12, ran 20. Actually ran, 16. Let's see if there's NASDAQ. Again, these negative MACDs here. Forbidden Shenanigans, please text me 914-500-7484. You caught the short there on the gold. Good job. That just dropped 7. Tan Man, anybody new, you could text me. And also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, on my SK Trading YouTube. Okay, every night, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. All right. Let's see if this NASDAQ can make new lows. Well, I mean, I don't know. I mean, if gold rallies $8 to $10 in your favor, I'd be scaling out at more than half, right? So, let's see if this NASDAQ can get make one more push down on the low. Maybe when those 5-minute time frames start reversing here, you can see here on the 1 minute here. I want to see if this was beautiful here. Oof. Oh my God, they're gonna go. These 15s are gonna turn up here. Oh my God, the 30-minute bull flag. Oh, please let it drop to get long again. Oh my God. Yeah, a long time ago, Albano. Long time ago. Many moons ago. Many, many moons ago. 58. Should watch the 1 minute. Oh, they're gonna go. No, we were here already. We were here. Pac-Man. We were here. It got up there. We were 05 to 45. We got down to 36. All right. I'm hoping we get one more push down, but look at this. Look at this, Christopher. Look at this. Look at this. This is a monster bull flag. And, if you're going to trade the continuous contracts, it's very important that you use the underlying ETFs. Get in there, Christopher. All right. Oh, my God. They killed the silver. 9 months ago, silver was a beast. A beast. A beast. And then they killed it. Oh. All right, there goes the gold. Come on, gold. Give me up to 25. Oh, here we go. Gold gets up to the 19 and a half to 27 and a half. What a short. What a long down there. I look to short it. You still long NASDAQ? Be careful. Barack, if you need help, anybody, okay. Okay, so again, this was a really great long here on the Nasdaq, and you got to see this monster. You got to see this right here. You see this 30-minute time frame? 900. They just hit 990. Oh my God, it just dropped 30. Jesus. That's why I should have shorted up there. I get one more push down here. You got to short on the Nasdaq. Jeez, I took my off. If this gold just hit 19, I don't know if there might have been. So here again, you see this bull flag. You see the oversold condition on the 15-minute. Should have taken that low scale. See, this is the low bear flag right here on the 5, right here into negative MACD. But I think what's going to happen is you get the 5-minute time frame, going to get one more push down and then a push up. You see that right there? Yeah, the negative MACD here, and it stopped it one, two, 3 times here. But we'll see. These 15-minute time frames right here oversold, combined with the 30-minute. Oof, I don't know. Anyway, where's Micron now? Still 1186. Micron, turn them up. Just dropped. Just dropped. All right. Let's just see here. All right. That gold. What a long in the gold. Oh, my God. Nasdaq 40 down. Damn it. I know, right, Mikey Jacques? It feels like sell the news event, right? That's what it feels like. Sell the news event. I mean, you 1192. Whew, it rallied. Thank God. So what, Barack? So does MACD shoot for neutral? I don't know what that means, shoot for neutral. I've been around 44 years. I don't even know what shoot neutral means. It means this is divergence, if anything. So here, when you had the new high here like this, the MACD, you're pushing up on the price into the negative MACD. What happened, honey? Yeah, my boy. You ever see a better dog in your life, huh? Right, Daddy? He's so good, my boy.
Definitely need to get that hip checked out.
Right? Yeah, I know. They got me worried now. I can tell my daughter.
Yeah, you just
Nasdaq, if it gets down to the, no, we're gonna get one more push. Gold, if you sold the gold at 19, I don't know if you did or not, but that might have been quick though. Nasdaq, again, if the Nasdaq gets down, I would go 05 to 45 here. Oh no, you may not get this here. 50 might be it. I don't know, we'll see. Anybody get short the gold there? Hey, Jesse Zimmer. You can see it. How oil will go. Let's look at oil. Oh, how low oil will go. I actually told a friend of mine about buying oil today. And I said, you know what? Forget about it. What's going to make it go up? And he says, you're right. That's what he says to me. Anybody get short the gold up there? Anybody? Oh, my God. 69. So, I mean, other than a technical oversold condition, but I showed this thing at 116. I can't believe this. I just can't believe it. Everybody, welcome Hanvika, and Trader HCH. All right, gold just dropped 13. Gold just dropped 13. That was a nice one. Anybody get that short? I think this, let me see the weekly on this. Oh, it's got room to go. Could fill that gap right there. 57. Oof. Papa Trump was pissed today. He said that's it. Department of Justice is going after the oil companies. He said gasoline's not going down, but oil's going down. They're inflating the price. I said, okay, he's right. I remember, okay, so listen to this. Last couple months ago, oil will be up, $7. Oil, the gas station, the same day. Or gasoline they bought weeks before or a week before, up 60 cents. Okay. This time around, crude drops. I still pay $3.89. I went to the guy. Why is gasoline still $3.89? Oh, we bought this weeks ago. We're paying for the higher price. Get out of here. Oh my God. Right? Tina, get in there. Tina, pull over. Oh my God. It goes up like a rocket and falls like a feather. Absolutely, Brian. Look at that gold. What a bull flag on the 60-minute. Look, you know what? Just raise it. You can go like 11 to 51 on the gold, on the S&Ps. On the NASDAQ. I still think this 5 is going to turn down. If you want to go 0545 or you go 11 to 51 range. Right. Hey, Turner. How are you, Turner? Yep, Treasury bonds, kabooshed. The 10-year. They rallied sharply. Don't ask me why. Oh, 0825. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Where's the weekly? This was the low. 0810. Oof. Turner B, where do I know you from? Wow, Lone Wolf. Congratulations, the Lone Wolf. Lone Wolf, text me. Look at his gold down 20. Oh, my God. Baby Goat, I hope you shorted that gold, Baby Goat. Off that 60-minute, Baby Goat. Anybody else? All right. Lone Wolf, congratulations. Okay. You should be listening to me during the day. Wow, look at this gold. Oh, my God. You're short the gold, Brandon? Great job. All right, this NASDAQ. What's this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This NASDAQ, I think, is going to turn up here. Kabooshed! Where's the bear? That's the bear, baby. That's the bear. Yes, sir. Shaid trades, don't ever be scared. Okay? Brandon. And again, you're short the. Oh, wow. Look at that. And anybody, if anybody has any time, if you ever need any help or anything, or you want to just talk to me, ask me anything, you could just text me and I'll always return your call, 914-500-7484. I give up my phone number. And remember, if you follow me on, please follow me on my social medias at official Stephen Kalayjian on Instagram, X, TikTok, and LinkedIn. I also want to tell you that I don't want you ever to be scammed here. Okay. A lot of people have been taking my face and this and that. I do not DM anybody, and I do not use Discord. And I'm not asking you for money on a Discord for copy trading, okay? So I want you to understand that, okay? It's a whole bunch of malarkey. I give out my cell phone number. Okay, a woman called me and told me her father put $200,000 with a guy because he thought it was me. And the FBI got involved and this and that. I never heard from her ever again. But you got to be smart enough to know to do things like that. I felt bad for the senior citizen who did that. Every day I'm getting, oh, this is the tax collector, this is that, this is the IRS, this is get lost. You know, I had a guy, Mr. Kalayjian, somebody identified you opening up a credit card. I must have got that over the weekend 9 times from 9 different people, you know. And I just want you to know here and now, and I'm going to say it again, if you get any type of message from me, okay, or you think it's from me, just call me. I don't ask for money for copy trading or for Bitcoin investment or anything. I don't want to see people get hurt. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty funny. I went long on cattle because the guy claiming to be SK said to do it. Oh man, that's pretty funny. That is funny. But it's sad because I don't want to see people get hurt. You know, people work hard, people save their money, and you know, and to get shamboozled is really sad. Okay, I don't want to see anybody get kabooshed. Okay, either. So I just want to be clear with that. Yep. Oh my God, he's got 9 cows. I didn't say cut up the credit card. I'm just saying. Aaron Michael McKinley. Yeah, you know, I don't get people like that. I get people, but my phone, because I give out my phone number all to the whole world. I'm walking in to get a bite to eat with JD here tonight. My phone's blown up, and I get one, you know, call after another. It's like they know when to target me after 5 o'clock. I'm like, I waved the white flag. This is my time. Enough. And there's no way to block them. You don't know who it is, right? You just don't know who the hell it is. So, but let's see if this NASDAQ. Here we go, NASDAQ. Here we go. Let's see if this NASDAQ on the 5s can get one more push down here. Rick Francis, how are you, brother? I said 51. Look at that. 52 is the low. Jesus. No, here. Kaboosh means crashed. So I'll give you the definition of kaboosh because I'm in the Urban Dictionary. Okay, it's right here. Okay, this is kaboosh. My friend Ian helped me put it in the Urban Dictionary. Look at this NASDAQ up 20. I said 51. Look at this thing, 52. Jesus. So cabooshed, okay, is a word I came up with one day. I don't know, the market dropped. I said, oh my God, they just got cabooshed. I didn't even know where it came from. But I copyrighted it, and I don't know. No, we're in the Urban Dictionary, and the definition is when a stock and or securities has reached an overbought condition, peak price, or otherwise hit with news so significant that the sell-off occurs, causing a drop in the price of that security. Cabooshed. That's what that is. My friend Ian, great man. He helped me. He got me in the Urban Dictionary. SK, I lost 50,000 in 2023, and ever since then I haven't used a personal account. Okay, I understand. The winners will be announced right when I do the drawings, right? Okay. This NASDAQ does not want to break. 52. I'm big short. You're short NASDAQ or S&Ps? Wall Street goat. Again? What? Here we go. You've been cutting up all day, Barack? Yeah, 51 and a quarter. Look at this. Again, you can go 05 to 45 or 11 to 51, or you go 12 to 52, just in case. Look at this thing. Oh my God. Look at this. You missed it by a quarter of a point. Come on. Look at this, 20 points. Oh my God, 20 up. Come on. Anybody get that? Missed that long there? Jesus Christ. Gold right back up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Missed it here by 1. And look at this. Missed it here by a quarter of a point. Is there sound? Yeah. Trendy assets? Yes. Is copper a buy? I'm not looking at copper. Oh my God. You got 3 mini contracts there? So then Aussie, you got the long? I still think these 30-minute time frames are going to just absolutely rip. That's what I was saying. Look to buy him here. Missed it by 1 here and a quarter point here. Oh my goodness. You didn't get that long, did you? No. Oh my God, Steven. Up 30. Wow. Up 30. Gold. NASDAQ. S&P's up 3. That might not be it. Christopher, that was it. Oh my God. 91 will be 40. Why are you cooked? You're not short, are you? Michael B., what do you mean I just gave all the profits back? I've been calling for longs off the 15 and 30-minute time frames. What are you doing? Why are you short? With Micron and SanDisk and AMD and Intel up? 1,000 lot. I traded 1,000 lot in the NASDAQ and 1,000 lot in the S&P. With a big hedge fund, I think we probably did a couple thousand at a time. No way. No way. Is that true? I keep switching from long to shorts in less than 5 minutes. Can somebody correct Zoo trades, please? Can somebody correct Zoo? You didn't hear me say, can somebody help me out here and correct Zoo trades? That is really not right to say that, okay? Okay? I did not go from long to short, long to short, long to short. I've been calling for a long the last 30 minutes on the NASDAQ. Can somebody straighten out Zoo trades, please? And you do me a favor, don't capitalize to me and be disrespectful because I'll ban you in 5 seconds. Okay? Okay? If you're going to be disrespectful, you don't know who you're dealing with right now. I'm telling you right now. I don't care who you are, what you're about. I am not dealing with being disrespected. Okay? You don't have to cap to me. Okay? In all honesty. Okay? So long to short every 5 minutes. I must have called the long at least from here to here to here. Missed it by 1, missed it by a quarter, and it runs 40. So I said monster bull flag for the last God knows how long. Oh my God almighty. Oh my God. I'm hoping for a pullback to get long. All right. Let's see if we get one more push down here. Oh man. Oh. Oh man. Right back up. Jesus, Lord God. 59. All right, if NASDAQ gets down to the 15 to 55 range, I look to Canada lost to Switzerland. Wow. I still think these 30-minute time frames. So if they get a push down here, it can go 05 to 45, 15 to 55 range. This gold was a short again there. Missed that. You shorted the gold? Sorry, Dave. You shorted the gold? We're at 11, 12 on that gold. I'm so bearish on this gold. I can't tell you. Here we go. Let's see if this thing 60. Look at this. 1, 2. Let's see if you may get one more big push down here. Dave, you got the short. Where you get 4 on the gold? Fucking gold. 60 and a quarter. This NASDAQ. Oh my God almighty, look at it go. Damn it, these 30s. Jesus Christ. I keep missing it. Damn it. If you want to take the long here again, you could probably go anywhere from the 25 to 65 range on the NASDAQ. I'm just thinking the fives are going to just do one more push down here. See this here? I mean, I just can't believe it. They've just been busting here. This one I was 45. This one I was 51. Right? Oh, you shorted from 13? Good. Good. Up and away. Oh my God, Steven. Wow, these 30-minute time frames. Why? Because of Micron's earnings came out. Plus, there was about 4 billion to buy market on close. Oh, this Dave, great short on the gold, Dave. There you go. There's 10. MU holding 1196. Good. You're still long? Okay. Micron will hold up the market. I can't have platoons. I'll get in trouble. Matt, if you want to learn Matt Leach, you can just text me 914-500-7484. Yeah, I know, but I don't want to do that. You know, I'm not going to do that. Look at this NASDAQ. Oh, my God. Look at these 30s going to turn up here. Oh, my God. Look at the gold, Dave. Good job, David. Up 15. There she goes. Goodbye, NASDAQ. I told you these 30-minute. This is the only one we got the long on. These I missed here, 65. Forget it. Unbelievable. Yeah, Dave, great short there. You're short gold at 20. Oh, look at the NASDAQ. I told you these 30-minute bull flags. And Zoo Trader, whatever his name is, telling me I'm going long, short, short, long, short, long, short, 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 long, long, long. Please, give me a break. I'm serious. And then he does capital letters. Are you crazy doing that to me? Are you bananas? Right, DJ Danny Girl, get in there. Right, I think Aaron cabooshed them. Right. I'm calling a bull flag since right here, since 8:30. It just ran from here to here, 70. But if you from here to here, 55. This thing's gonna. I would not mess around with a 30-minute bull flag into a into a positive MACD.
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Oh, well, he apologized. All right, you're forgiven. One more time, I put you in the bathroom. That's it. You're done. Put him in the bathroom. Bobby, put him in the bathroom. Oh, my God. Gold down 19. David, get in there. But you understand, Zoo Trader, what I was calling here? I was trying to buy here. Well, here I missed, right? I was 45. Here I was 50. Look at 51 or 45, 05 to 40. Look at the low. Here I was 65. I missed it because it was trading 75 when I bid. I said to buy 65. Okay, so That's pretty funny. I'm up 1171 from the long, short, long. Thank you. That made my night. No, that made my night. Look at them go. Where's the bull? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's hysterical. That deserves an applause. That made my night. See, I like a sense of humor and joke around when I'm completely insane, right? NASDAQ just ran, look at this, 70. Okay. All right. That's great. That's funny.
All right, buddy.
You're leaving?
I'm gonna take that 2-hour drive.
All right.
Thanks for a great night.
Oh, thank you for dinner, JD. Are you kidding me? You're the best.
Let me know on those things when you
Yeah.
There's tonight still.
Where? Can't see. 4,700? I'm talking about, Bob. Get over here. Get me out of here. Get over here. Good job, brother. Good job. Love you too, man. All right. Anytime, JD. You know, my door is always open to you, brother.
Yes, sir.
$4,755 for JD tonight. That's awesome. That's awesome. There you go. All right. All right. So JD is helping me. Well, Christopher Pac-Man came up with. Well, let me do this one here. So this is the T-shirt I'm trying to hopefully get approved. Okay. From MyFundedFutures here, and let me just see if I can show you. This is the Caboose T-shirt. You can see the MyFundedFutures logo, SK. Okay, and then you can see here the price action in the back. Oh my God, NASDAQ. Look at the S&P. It's the identical same pattern. 55, 56, up 10, 11. Okay. And then this is the Caboose T-shirt, and you can see again the American flag, the MyFundedFutures logo, SK. JD, drive safe.
Thanks, bud.
Okay, be well. See you when next week or two, or
Yeah.
2
weeks for sure, maybe next week.
All right, brother. Drive safe. And then you can see here, this is the Kaboom T-shirt right here. The Kaboom. I love this shirt too. Look at this one. Pac-Man, Christopher. You see that? And then you got the back here as well. So again, American flag, MyFundedFutures. Where am I here? MyFundedFutures logo here. SK Trading. You okay? Well, we'll see. I hope we're gonna get these so I can start giving them out to you all. All right. I said 20 was the short up there. What was the high? 20. Oh my God, 28. You got to be careful here. These 15s. All right. All right. All right. So, yep. What bull flag? This here? You want to see a bull flag in this? What are you, crazy? Was it under style? Oh my God. Who can read that? I'm not reading that. What are you, crazy? I can't even look at that. That's a bull flag right there. All right. Take care, Russ Panda. Again, Russ Panda, a lot of new people here. Matt Leach, the GOAT, Savage Trade, just dropped 30. If you, please, if you like, anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, just text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. All right. Erbi, ERBI, how are you? Thank you, Dave. All right. S&Ps, cabooshed. NASDAQ, cabooshed. All right. A little sell divergence up there for one more push down. Just dropped 30. Oh, my God. I did call a bull flag right here on the NASDAQ, right there, off the 30-minute. And these 30-minute time frames, I don't know if they're going to make new highs here. I don't think they're going to get up to that. No way. 30,168. I don't think so. I don't think so. The thing that's going to stop the market, just to show you here, even though you see these negative MACDs on the 15 here, once this 15 gets overbought into this negative MACD, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. I can't see them getting back to new highs here. Anybody can call me or text me after the close here. I'll at 10 o'clock when I'm off, anybody can just text me and I'll always call you back. Okay? Just text me your full name and email. There has been one person that I've never responded back to. Text and phone. All right. Gold's going right back down. No. No way, catnip. Are you crazy? Yes, Jungle Jamboree, it does. Yes. Yes. Where's my phone? I gotta charge my phone here. Okay. The 5 is 98. I should get wow, 40 down. Damn it. There you go. More money in scalping than holding. I agree. Let's see if this thing can get down. If this NASDAQ can get down to the, let me see. I don't know if it's going to get down there. S&P's here. 55581. That's it. Oh, come on. I can't even type. Wow, good night in gold. Gold started off kind of slow, though, at first. 66 down 5. NASDAQ going right back up. 3-minute bull flag. You're going to get another push up here. Nice bull flag here. 59. Just ran one. You think Micron's going to 1,500? Could. It could. You can get my charts on Ninja. However, you can't get the charts. So basically, for Ninja, you can get the chart overlay, but here's the problem with Ninja. You can't get equity data, and in order to trade the continuous contracts, okay, the sell divergences mean going up? No. So you need to have the underlying ETFs when you're trading the continuous contracts. I don't care if it's gold, NASDAQ or S&P futures during the U.S. session. You need to have the underlying ETFs, okay? The link was dropped, okay, NQ Trader. And divergences does not mean that it's going up. I have 5 conditions and 10 strategies. Each of the 5 conditions has 10 strategies, 2 strategies, the buy and a sell divergence. Okay. Okay, and anybody, again, Ninja Trader. So if you sign up to on a free trial, you get the free access to my live stream in the member chat. If you sign up for my live stream, for my Discord every single day. Jennifer, you ready? Okay. Aaron, if you can make that bigger, I can't see it. You get the equity data. You get the chart overlay. Everything's about $4.50 a day. Okay. So you would use TradingView or TradeStation. Okay. TradingView or TradeStation. Okay. I don't know how many we have here today. How many do we have?
440.
Oh, 440. Okay. Oh, Jennifer, you ready, Jennifer? Okay, number 2. Number 2. We're gonna go to someone who really signed up early. Number 2.
Rita Tick.
Rita Tick. Rita Tick. Rita Tick. Are you here? Rita Tick. Rita Tick. Is Rita Tick here? She's here?
Nope.
No, Rita? Oh, Rita, come on. You were the first one to sign up, looks like. Not yet?
Okay.
No,
Well,
wait, give it.
Snooze, you lose. Like we don't have time to wait. Oh,
Okay.
there,
If she-
right there.
Hey, she made it under the wire. Congratulations,
So lucky.
Rita.
All right, next.
All right. I'm going to go low again. Number 9. Number 9. Gameplay full Italy. Oh, I think he's here. I've seen him here all the time. Nope. Didn't pull up plot thickens. Nope. Number 9 is gameplay here. Gameplay.
Here.
Number 112. 112, please, Aaron. And that is David U5U. David T. Oh my God, David T. U5U. All right. David. Is David here? David.
Yep.
That's great. Number 178. 178. I love this game. I look forward to this all night long. Alex Mate 1987. Alex Mate. Alex Mate. All right. If this NASDAQ gets up to the 28 to like this 58, I'd take a scalp short. Alex Mate, are you here? Alex Mate. No, Alex? No? No, Alex Mate? Going once? No? I know there's a little delay here. Alex Mate, hold on, Jennifer. Not yet. Next, 184. Number 184 is, who's this? Futures Trader 5522. Futures Trader 5522. You need a TradingView subscription, correct? Yes. Yes, you do. Name is different. She is here. She's saying she's here. Alexander.
No, this is the YouTube names. If your name does not match the YouTube name, you did not win. Everybody knows the rules. That's the rule. We're moving on. Futures Trader, are you here?
He's here. You have to have the name that matches. How am I supposed to guess?
Nope.
Okay.
That's the rules. Everybody knows that. Next.
Okay. Number 233, please. 233. Moodhu 2002. Moodhu 2002. Moodhu 2002. Jennifer, get in there. Let's see.
Here. Next.
Here. Number 291. 291, please. 291, Aaron. And that is Marty Malone. That's an easy name. Marty Malone. Marty Malone. Marty Malone. Marty Malone. And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Number 336. Number 336.
They didn't say they were here.
Yeah,
No?
she's right.
No, look at Jennifer didn't
Oh,
say.
Marty Malone? Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. Oh,
Yeah.
I apologize. That's my fault.
All right. That's it. 5 seconds.
Number 290.
All
Number
right.
290. Steph. Oh my God. Steph Fielding. Steph Fielding. Are you here? Steph Fielding. Is she here?
Yep.
Oh, congratulations. Wow. That's awesome. Number 336. Number 336, please. And that would be YM Futures. YM Futures. YM Futures. Are you here? YM.
Yep.
Good job. Number 393. 393. 393. I just pick it out of my number in my head.
Ayo, FX.
AOFX. 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 AO.
Yep.
Okay. Number 412. 412. How many is that, Jennifer? 7. 412. F1 Rev 1. F1 Rev 1. F1 Rev 1, I believe. Okay. F1. No, that's 8. F1 Rev 1. Are you here? Good job. Okay. Let's see here. Let's go 419. 419 while we're in the fours. That is Raj Trade.
Raja Trades.
Raja Trades 68. Is this our number 10th? Number 10?
Yep. This is 10.
Okay. Thank you, Aaron. Raja Trades, are you here?
Here.
Okay. There you go. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful.
All right. Let's go back. You're up. Let's go. Finish up.
That's it. Okay. All right. So there's a 30-minute bull flag pushing up. There was a little bull flag on the 3-minute time frame. NASDAQ went from 87 up to 28. Okay. Got the 30s and 15s here. Hey, listen, I want to thank MyFundedFutures. I'll see you all tomorrow at 10:30 to 11:30 during the New York session. And I'll also be here tomorrow night. Again, I want to thank Matt Leach, his wife Erin, Luke, Aaron, of course, Jennifer, of course, the great Jennifer. Listen, you guys, anybody has any questions at all, just text me. Doesn't have to be for a free trial. If you have a question about the markets or something that you need help with, I'm more than happy to help you here. So again, NASDAQ, if you're short at 28, just look to cover below 18 here. Just got up to that 28 handle. Well, simple trader, I'm just trying, brother. I just pick numbers out of whatever comes in my head, you know. All right. So here goes the NASDAQ pushing up here again, the 5-minute time frame, the threes. Here we go. They're dropping. Look at that, 28 right to the 31. Just got caboose 20. Now I call this short. Okay. All right. Chime music zone, you're short. Okay. All right. Every day, be consistent. Be down 30 here. Look at this. Yeah, you know, the most important thing is just be consistent. And there's many rules of discipline. Putting in stops, not revenge trading, not over trading. Okay. Discipline also on your work ethic, your preparedness. This is, look at this gold. What a piece of garbage. New lows. Oh my God, this gold's going to who said 3,500? It could be. It could be. Gameplay, congratulations, gameplay. Okay. Simple trader, your turn will come. Trust me. Simple trader. All right. Had a lazy 250 tonight. In and out, in and out, in and out. Long, short, 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 long, short. Okay. Good job. All right. NASDAQ just got caboosed. 29 just now. All right. I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you, Aaron. Again, everybody, God bless you. Okay. God bless our troops. And most important, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Thank you, Jennifer. See you all tomorrow night.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.